non insurance premium eso no wase eye authority no asampanimfo a womo eda adwumakuo no ano no na womo hwe se womo de amanebo ni nyina benante na obia atibie na womo se saa anamontu a Ghana Revenue Authority etue no ebeka obia wo wajapade si asase so wo Ghana ate se dan asase ne de aka eno achi apomuden akwantuo ni nyina na o se insurance sa hoduo binom wo hono a eno de enka ho bi yeyiye firi mu ebiti se motor insurance is a car wo ye insurance na no de wo mo ayi firi mu na se de eto ni tuya ne se de ne niema etie no aya na ne ho ahomete pa yenko amaso no na Dr. Julius
se wo Ghana ye ba betutum o mo se ye 15% e de atoto omo dan asase omo te Ghana e wa japade enwuma ekuntimi nka se wo tena oman bim wa bra wuntua tax enya possible ye say ne de ye say ye de 15% bi atoto so ne yenkotie mu nkyiremu wa japade wo Ghana wo dan wo Ghana ana wo dwumadie bi di wo Ghana no na wo hunu de ekoso se lebe ya enyo nwanwa yenkoni nkotie
ye kwankontabuo mu kakra na ye kwamaso na ye ne executive director Wada Center for Economic and Financial Analysis ano Edin Komoyera Julius Jima doctor ne ne nakasa esansem ye nyanenti ya se Ghana Revenue Authority ase free July bosome ne da edin kan ekro no value added tax ye VAT no non-life insurance premiums no wapeje mu 15% na wachema cha se 15% VAT no a wo mo de to non-insurance premium eso no wase eye authority no asampanimfo a wo mo eda adwumakuo no ano no na wo mo hwe se wo mo de amanebo ni nyina benante na obia atibie na wo mo se saa anamontu a Ghana Revenue Authority etue no ebeka obia wo wajapade si asase so wo Ghana ate se dan asase ne de aka eno achi apomuden akwantuo ni nyina na o se insurance sa hoduo binom wo hono a eno de enka ho bi yeyiye firi mu ebiti se motor insurance is a car wo ye insurance na no de wo mo ayi firi mu na se de eto ni tuya ne se de ne niema etie no aya na ne ho ahomete pa yenko amaso no na Dr. Julius Jima aba homa no so ye ne nkodi nkomo obani uti yanka Angel Kasia suni wa Angel TV Angel FM majoe
Enya se wa betimo kapa so
yeda sepa na momo kasa no de ya na yakuntabuo bebre ye mu bebre na nso ye wo suku mu na ye mpeke anopani ye bebi de eti afa wadaroma obi tifi obebi sase non-life insurance premium no enchire mu kakra ewo mu no de yin
yo se wa de mame enchie tie for nya hwefo nya na me ndo no senso kwa kwenya ya amode mame na me say non-life insurance no insurance ya sabe emfani pa anasani pa enwa insurance ya dibia sikebia yene na yetu as a contribution yetu ya de to ma da chen adibia yentimi en control se bia ba beto ye ne kanipa na ye hwe non-life na for example sinibi na obobo so ayese wankasa we si udan non-life because emfani pa nkwa we see udan o building or property awo non-life kwan bie internal no de no na represent now can say if ya wa o hyen a wato ene ye hyen a ye de ye adwuma enya mfaso to say dia ye taxes ni ye church no so and also ye non-life and to say bia utu asike bi eto ema insurance that chi bia betimi nya accident you know o de beto abo ho ban ya and also ye non-life non-life needs to be at a stay obi ba be wia wa dia which is theft and you know no almost friend of burglary say dia o de two of our ban bo one case our personal security ye we ni pay there or no ne adivia kaya ho and you know e dia nya me fansa ba bibi betimi auto or fanso sa uchi asika de two or so the insurance are protect us our risk and no see non-life a life nankasa ye de fanipa enkwa ho sebe owu ekanipa ho ye bompa ye nyankopon fa ye nkwa o maye kwantenten de but owo nso ebata adasa Yes, two things are constant: death and taxes. The funny pound and no any life insurance no and it was a insurance policies need almost say yet on life insurance idea for money and answer one casana say the papa and I say.
And your penny said they watch it mu die. Say me messy dynamic dia mahan. Na se yesi ni insurance na ye page mu at the 15% aka ho dia. And you say the effects no say nkrofo ye ne atete nkrofo adan mu ne ye ne a ye won nkrofo properties mu a ye nso ye pe kakra akra no. And you know say mo be ma dan bu akosoro ne ade o ana nya ho na ekeka koyi.
Nyɛ hɔ na ɛkeka kɔ sa pɛsɛ sɛdeɛ insurance no sɛ wankasa wosi wɔ a wodan na yɛ wɔ a wofie a wopa na woyɛ insurance na ɛno nti wotumi avoid loop sɛneɛ mmara no ma ho kwan sɛneɛ ɛbɛyɛ nyɛ ɔhyɛ bebree na mmom no ɔmo a ɔmo yɛ adwuma commercial establishment sɛ bia offices warehouses big lands or my say be a fine estate so you bet matter so be a businessman as or see that in any business a commercial and to say be as part of the estate we see regulations and also to me ensure building definitely no a so no bit but say I'm crank a few more dear sabe opa na ultimate insurance and the cover but those that are intended for commercial purposes in the they are but yeah baby ebeka on kakra na misa abakosem kakra o hono na ma binsi so quickly send ye be ya ye be hu me hyehyɛ ne send ye airport on say ye VAT no 2013 and e baaye na in 2013 no one penny for mo ye mra no VAT law ne de share VAT law ne mo say eba insurance dear you for life and reinsurance. Life and reinsurance, no. Then I meet you, Mudadano. Dear Fanny Pound, dear. Emrano, teachers, and only in charge about Tibia, also. And again, insurance companies, no premiums, I my insurance companies, no. I almost so reinsurance of those premiums. Just almost can be SIACC or other insurance company. Any of us so a protect Sika for insurance, no. A general reinsurance, no. Na VAT mrano ye ne say because a funny pound kwahone dear, ye in Jibati bianya day, and so a exempt any mrane cano. Na mrani ye ding as a 2013 in Tina say a bimo a diesel. The Mranica life insurance vaccine and that's what they are necessary. Engineer say, yeah, a year non life and I church your mother that's a fee, beglar will be baby vial. Marine, a year your my importers or more can your mafia brochure, but only your money since you know, your friend of marine policy and as a marine insurance, your money will see a police in the probability is to me as and care consumer so until some insurance. Nancy Cram owns a two crime on as part of our ticket no visa by the somebody travel insurance at the car home because of travel no TV, which might be very to me see and also insurance or and Tina a team randy is silent about it, but a tresenka insurance companies need a normal enforce compliance and a bay a baby to me Nisika. But a year, 10 years after year, DBC 2023, no. And amendment by 2023 amendment by any bay say actually be more SEO debate in better ye be ye ndin hyehyɛ so ye be the insurance companies ni bo ni say what they can wa be man cost e be cost nti be a consumer no better so me insurance policy we dey ne boy dey make defend insurance o mu nyina no ebi mu ye nti ma ban ntimi nya sika na opɛ no na 2023 no na ba ye amendment na obeshi mo kena say exemption made my life no non-life insurance policy in Kaho. And insurance companies be a more a year non-life insurance we be a policy be a the maximum for no. The more year more we are one part BT and count send a bear mobile a 12 that's so bad and the amount but now insurance companies need be pre comply decision so send an amichim dan say if you have a insurance policy in a stroke. And again, and so no, she say, yeah, Minister Finance, and the GRA enforcement, in 2025, budget team, na Minister Becca say, oh, Non-life insurance, so the marine, the momo canyon, my depo, minimum business, so travel policy, burglary, theft, any we say property building, no. You better exclude the motor vehicle because motor vehicles are not non-life. And can this idea and can no, if you want a GPRT for ne, church or the dog will be a big lie because they are affected. Motor policy a war third party any comprehensive and uncran so your own money mukana yawa private vehicle ni bin so be kano it was a minister abua the exemption to a motor vehicle look at the number of cars in the system so cars all the VAT samba be choswa ebema insurance premiums and I say we are each our show ebe cost it's the minister finance honorable to force it one exemption on motor vehicle name no other non-life now, the same marine yebo swing the honor also mutimi edge no edebua in kuntunjuma and as a bicycle and sana as say in share near the ecoso. But over the years, we will say lack of compliance. And Brana or that and yet be before phobia buying a deba. Tono any VH now. It's an MH on a 2013 ton or moody shame. But drafting into the Buhana IAD. Send ye governance in your madam and also it's me babema clarity 2023 na clarity by and they say a year enforcement and a GRE and a Ministry of Finance a year. But that is on the side of government. See a pesa bicycle some enkone ni mabanti mi nyasika wo my name no.
Now find Juma Bebre. Now, but timing, is it the right time? Say Ghana a situation said you won't say no time nini.
Say to be fair, kakra. On say na about say or the amendments or extra levy than you don't come full levy a friend of full levy. Na officer or the back kakra. And no kind of advocate say and keep a boa bicycle because of the can say the buying street in your memory kakra at the ma buyer any intimate for now. Yentimi anything for that say yen yashe. Yemboa by Juma. Nemo no says Sika kakra batimum for bottom, na savings kakra, and fango boaba from savings kakra the eba. And yet didn't be brace it be a binding target, say Sabitimum for Sika living there. That is not the aim of government. A bambiana person who sent it Timum for a tumpon, a prosper, or multimi a Yasika or my name. Nasabe and I seven responsibility said. Yes, you better ye after Mudia by sea and so you better into Wakakra, Ediama, Abansanet, or Yasia Mamea, a 20 Nazanet. It's a they say, I say, you demonize taxes, taxation, or minimum too much, yet the tax bar. And said, I see a Fina Bastre be free, you also see a quality services from government. It is a win-win situation. Yeah, near by near 12 by year by. Na yeto abana se yeyi abai na e wo se yentimomufo na na ye be yentoboan so e de ahye abai no na abai timi e de
time na time fufuro bia ni baby anya sa
I was even long overdue. A long overdue. Send your maker say in 2013 na KBI yajitia gabai na no system no ane ne ho afa. It's in Kenya, they be brace. I say, Yendi so Yendi say, the timing is okay for us now. And when insurance companies and so more hoarded that, one is buying on bay engagements, no more boa, a charge VAT. But then I'm better than say, a woman say, a member individual as any businesses or business cost because insurance say a business expense. It's a better also be the ever cost. And I think, say, me buying any insurance company, no, into me share. Na senior ABI insurance companies will be to me aboa no mo say bia ma this study any o mo hia sem bia e be challenge ya mom in collection of these taxes so no mo fan to aban nim na aban so enhwe na afi ne enye win-win situation because the empesa insurance companies and so no they will be out of business because ya to ya the VAT e ba beto insurance so a e wo that
yo doctor ya da say afi na mpanimfo ahya se a e boboba enti ehun komo bia bebe chire bia no ye besa ba ho ye da se